In this video, I'm gonna walk you through everything that's included in this box and walk you through how to use and care for your MT-1. All right, guys, first up here is the MT-1 itself. We're gonna dig into this in detail here in a few. We help beardsmen look, feel, and be your best. Guys, this is our tagline here at Live Bearded. If you open this up here, we've got a nice little charging port here, super convenient for your countertop. We've got your trimmer guards, multiple lengths. We'll walk through those in detail here in a second. And then it's important to note that there's a little hidden compartment underneath the trimmer itself. This is where you're gonna get your carabiner cord, comb, and your cleaning solution and brush. All right, guys, let's dig into the MT-1 itself. This here is your power button. Pretty straightforward. Click it, it'll turn on and off. This is going to give you adjustable RPM. So you've got higher RPMs. This is going to be a little bit sharper cut. If you got a thicker, denser beard, this is going to cut through a little bit harder. If you want a little bit more grace in your trim, if you're hedging the outside, you want a little bit more grace to take your time, not cut in so hard, go into lower RPM. So you've got different RPM settings there. And the blade itself here, ceramic blade, it is fully adjustable. So go ahead and this here can adjust to different lengths. This if you want to take it tighter to the skin, have a little more grace again, and then pair with the different combinations of the guards, guys. 28 different combinations with the adjustable head here, plus the guards. So it's worth noting here, guys, the MT-1 will come with the charge straight out of the box, so you can get right to trimming, but it doesn't come with a full charge. So the way you'll know if you have a full charge is go ahead and turn the power on, RPMs all the way to the lowest setting, and 240-minute runtime is a complete charge. Fast charging lithium ion battery, so go ahead and plug it into either straight into your cord here or into the dock. I love having the dock on the bathroom counter because it just looks great. You can plug this in, keep it up on your counter, displays really nice, easy to get to. So again, 240 minutes will be your full runtime. Charges in about 120 minutes, but you can do a quick charge if you need a trim, plug it in for a little bit, and you're good to go. All right, guys, like I said, with the adjustable head and the guards, guys, you have 28 different lengths. So again, you can adjust this here, grab your guard, and this thing just clips straight into the head. Pretty easy to get in there. Make sure it's fully snapped so this thing doesn't come off when you're using it. But the reason we designed these specifically with one length per guard is so this thing is secured. A lot of trimmers out there have two sides to the guards, and honestly, they can fall out pretty easy and cause a mishap. We don't want to hear that. So make sure it's fully clipped in there, but super easy to go on and off. 6 different lengths, like I said. So really just clip these in. If you're gonna go trim, guys, start with the longer guards before you trim. You can always take more off. You can't put it on, but find the right length that works for you. All right, guys, now you wanna take care of your tools. So we recommend cleaning after you use, and we include a little brush in here, pretty straightforward. When you trim and you've got some hairs left on the end of the blade there, just brush them off. Really comes off pretty easy. One thing I wanna note though is that recommend if you go ahead and just pop the actual blade off, get the little brush and just take some of these hairs out and just clean this out every so often. I recommend after every use just to make sure that it stays clean. Not gonna cause any damage if you don't do it every time, but it's good habit, right? Get in there, clean it up, and it's gonna give you much longer lasting life of your MT-1. All right, guys, now beyond just cleaning the hairs off this blade, because it's a blade that's cutting your hair, guys, we wanna keep it super sharp. This is a ceramic blade, so it will stay sharp. It's not gonna rust or erode, but we include the oil that you're gonna wanna go ahead and apply, about once a month is a good rule of thumb. Guys, this will vary based on how often you're trimming and how much use the trimmer's getting. But what you wanna do is grab your oil, and you're gonna put 1 drop on the outsides of the trimmer as well as the inside. You're gonna first turn the trimmer on, then go ahead and apply the drops. Let it run for about 30 seconds. It's gonna distribute the oil across the blade. Simply turn it off and then wipe it off and you're good to go. All right, guys, now it's worth noting the MT-1 is not designed to be used in water, so don't take this thing into the shower and try to trim your beard or anything else. It's not waterproof, so we advise not using it or you will cause damage. And that leads us right into our warranty. Guys, here at Live Bearded, we back our MT-1 with a 365-day money-back guarantee. If you have any questions about this, about how to use it, about anything at all, guys, you know our mission here at Live Bearded is to help beardsmen look, feel, and be their best. If you have any questions, please hit us up at support@livebearded.com. And as always, live bearded, brother.